Let's see what $260,000 gets you. What, 89? Let's see. Treat yourself. Ooh wee. Look at the storage. Yeah, I think so.
It's one of those if you have to ask, you get it.
Let's go look at the storage.
This just looks, you know.
Oh, excuse me.
It's a bed.
It's a bed.
I don't think that's enough storage. It's one. I'm overwhelmed. I don't even know where to start.
So did you get up to the Salvation Army?
This thing is huge. Where do you start? Want to see what this thing looks like? Alright, I'm going to check out this RAM. Yeah?
There's your table.
It's a nice little table.
Oh, it
There's
has a shower.
Well, get
Can I
on
go
in there.
in?
Check it out. This is the Dazzle. Razzle Dazzle. Huh. Come in, sit down. It feels, I like the table. This is where I can do my works. Oh my God. We built ours totally wrong. It feels like I'm getting a shower here. Oh, excuse me. I couldn't turn around in this. How do you shower? No, you can't shower in here.
Not much storage though.
No, you got these up here. I don't know if that's enough.
The bed, like.
Well, you could lay that, like that. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, the shower is too small.
It's too small for you.
You try to get in there and close the door.
Pretty alright, pretty nice.
Oh, you got the fridge.
Turn around.
There.
Oh, it's claustrophobic.
You can't even turn.
Huh?
You can't even turn around. I think this is the best part. Alright. How's it feel sitting in the front here? Ooh.
It looks perfect for you guys.
Oh, I can't even stand in the shower. Let's check out what a shysta looks like. Up. Oh. This is more luxurious. Yeah, I could do this.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Uh-huh.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Comes with that.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit better. Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
And then the shower. You gotta go in here. Yep. I could do this. So, yep. You gotta. Ah, shit, I'm stuck in here. Oh. Yeah, I could stand straight up in here. I'm like 6'13", but no. Got a little sink. You got a toilet. You got your max fan up there. And this bed, I mean, it'll do. Let's get in here. Oh yeah. That'll do. You got your fan up there. You got some storage up there. Oh, this is a slide out, so that's really good. You can do computer works here. You got yeah, not bad.
Where would I put all my bins?
Let's see. Maybe outside has some storage at the bottom. There's plenty of storage up here.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah. Maybe get rid of the TV and do more storage. Come on in. There's plenty of room.
Unlike those other two.
No, those are.
Yeah. It's a nice
That's
one.
a big sink too.
Huh.
Got all your buttons.
What's the price?
Let's see if it has the. Yeah, it has storage. No, right there.
Yeah.
Little bitty. That's not storage. Check out the Tioga. Let's see here. Am I walking into somebody's rig? Hello? You awake? Yeah, somebody just got up and left. I think I prefer these than the door. Yeah,
These aren't brand new, are
this one's not.
they? Look at all this space though right here. Just,
There's a bed up there.
oh, that's storage.
Oh, I can't get that open. Storage, storage, storage. Slide out.
Table.
Sleep up
Oh,
here.
here.
Looks like doo-doo there. Huh. Got some AC. Got your closet. Arizona fashion.
Why aren't there prices on them?
I don't know. I think you got to go up to the office and let them know what number you like.
This is cozy. Bed here.
Yeah. The keys are right there. We can leave.
I'd have a closet.
Mm-hmm. All right. That's the Tioga. That's kind of cool. You got your little TV up there.
This is doable.
Class B. Oh no, this is a Class C. 3-stove burner, oven, storage, microwave, beans.
All my bins can go up
Yeah,
there.
bins up there, or you can sleep up there too.
I can get to them.
You'd have to put something up here to keep it from falling this way. But that's a lot of room up there.
This is gonna ruin us.
I'm ruined already.
This is
Check out the Forester E450. Oh, this layout's nice. I like this layout. Look at all the storage space
oh my
up
god,
here.
look at the bathroom.
I like the
Oh,
table.
this is a nice one. Uh-huh.
You got your storages, but I like this.
Are you kidding me? Look at the shower.
Not bad. Look at this
Oh,
little
I like
sink
this.
area.
Look at the shower.
The burners. I'll get to it. I'll get to it.
Closet.
I like that.
I even like their comforter. This
I like
comforter
this too. This works. So it's a slide out. So we'll have to slide out. Got a full-on closet. That's probably where you can put your TV. And there's a little toilet action, and got your all that stuff. It's a nice size shower. Whoa. I like this. I could do some serious teeth brushing here.
I like this one.
Yeah. This is nice.
It's like a freaking apartment.
Wow. This is the way we should have gone. Oh, can we just trade? There's too much room in here. Let's keep looking.
I want this one.
You want this one? Okay, we're gonna get this one. We haven't even looked at any of them yet. She already wants this one. Let's see what we got here. Forester. Ow. They have. Yeah, see the slide outs. We need to have price tags on here. Oh, storage. Poo storage. What is that, like a 30-footer? And then there's this one. I'm gonna check this one out. So that's a good one. Ooh, okay. It's kind of dark in here. It's fancy.
Look at the bed. How do you sleep in this bed?
Oh, these are cozy chairs. I could sit here and watch the day go by. Right. Yeah, this is yeah, that bed is Alrighty.
Did you get a look at what this one's called? Is it the
Yeah.
Forester?
Yeah. So Forester's nice. We got to see what one of these guys looks like. But let's see what else here. Looks like a shorter one. I'm gonna see what the Integra looks like. It looks like a shorty. This one looks spacious.
All this room to walk.
Look at all this room for activity.
Cute.
So much room.
Window in the bathroom.
Yeah, that piece is missing.
This is nice.
It's got so much leg room here, but it's a nice short one.
I like it.
Storage. That's cool. It's a nice shower.
Which do you like better, this or the other?
I like the Forester so far. Yeah, let's check out an Alliance. The Avenue. I've always wanted to see what one of these looks like.
That's an island.
But this is a fifth wheel. We can't fit in there. Let's see what it's like. Oh, we got an upstairs in here too. The upstairs, jeez. This is an apartment.
No wonder these people are happy living in this.
All in one bedroom. Wow.
See this closet? Has a dresser. Wow. This is nice.
Huge. Fireplace and a TV. AC. And the full-on island.
This one must be a lower end because it doesn't have the.
She said this was
This
lower.
is a lower end? Excuse me.
She said this was lower end. You should come check out the van. Jeez. Lower end? Oh my god. How much? So this one is 106,000. I think this is the sauna room. Oh no, it's a closet. Well,
If this is lower end, I'd have to see what's on the high end. Goodness. Titty.
okay. I'm gonna go out and check some other ones. Ooh, CHICO Forester Class B. It's too much room in here. Too much space.
What are you talking about?
Golly. You got bunk beds. And then you got sleepy space. Closets. Bob Wells never talked about these. Alright. Gonna probably have to sell the van.
One that hooked to the truck, right?
Here's the bedroom for this fifth wheel. Full on closet. Bathroom. This is better than the apartment we were living in. Let's go look at this. It's got a loft. With a ladder. Go downstairs. And what is this here? Oh, you got the studio where you can do all your work. That was okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you could have.
Yeah. Oh, you got burners outside and a fridge. Oh, a whole garage in here. Yeah, Bob Wells never told me about this. But this thing is going for 110. House on wheels.